Hello. So this is our project Burger Up. I'm going to be talking about some of the things I worked on, some of the things the group has worked on. That that brings us to just the general layout right now. So I did the level design. I worked with John on getting those assets from him. There's a refrigerator, shelving, extra plates, this table. That's a stove there in the corner. There's a grill. There's a fryer with a fryer basket. Um, there's a spatula on the grill and a trash can in the corner. The floor is uh, textured with a tile floor type deal. And as you can see here, this is some other stuff that I worked on with Ethan. Um, I worked with him on getting the spawner to spawn the objects into the game. Right now we have it set pretty high, a pretty high spawn rate, um, which eventually we will change to give the player more time to reach each item, because right now they're falling a bit fast. But for this demonstration, we just wanted to show the different stuff, and the desired effect is that it's coming from the clouds. And I also uh, added in a plane up there, and you can see on the shelves there's some level design work that still needs to be done. Some of the plates are into the refrigerator a bit. The walls need some textured, but yeah, this is just to give you the general idea of what we're going for right now. I'm the project manager and um, the audio designer for this game. Um, Project manager, from what I have learned through working on this project and having that title, is I'm just keeping everybody on track, and every time there's an issue that somebody cannot figure out, I'm just another brain there to be working on that task. So I've been working in Blender, I've been working writing code with Ethan, Blender with John. Um, and yeah, I feel like it's a role that I like a lot because I feel like I'm able to kind of help everybody, whereas Ethan and John kind of are staying in their own lanes, and I get a little bit of both, which is really nice. Uh, Another thing that me and Ethan worked on is a destroyer, so when the objects hit the floor or fall off the plate, they disappear. Um, that took some figuring out, um, but we've gotten it. And then right now you can see the balancing on the plate. As you catch it, um, I tilt the plate over, the items fall off, and we're messing with the sensitivity with that. We want to make it fun and easy enough to get the hang of, but also not too easy to where it's not fun anymore. Some of the other things is, we're going to add some more things around the room, but so far the mechanics are great, or I'm happy with where the mechanics are at. As you can see, the plate moves really well and tracks really well. Um, I like the way that it catches. There's some moments in here where you can see the stuff landing on the plate. You can see it falling off. If it lands too far on the side, it'll tilt. It'll become unbalanced and fall, or the player is able to, if it is becoming unbalanced, regain balance. So yeah, that's about where we're at. Thanks for watching.